Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Let's do a quick install of this lovely blonde unit. A big shout out to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video. So the hair came in this beautiful packaging that can be used as wig storage. It has all their details. Please do check them out on social media as well. So not only did they send me hair, but there are a few goodies in there as well. Let's unbox. So they sent me some wig caps. These are the nude ones. They sent me a edge brush. This is super cute because it has both the comb part and the brush part. Then my favorite freebie has to be these Yolissa lashes. They are stunning. They are giving everything they need to give. And they also sent me this Yolissa scarf, which is like a satin scarf that you could probably use as an accessory or as to lay your edges after installing your wig. It is super cute, really good quality material as well. Then they sent me this elastic with their branding. It is super cute and perfect for laying your edges and keeping a glue in place. I love that it's brightly colored. It can definitely work as a cute accessory on days where you don't want to use your glue as well. And then we have the main event, the hair. This is a honey blonde ombre straight hair 13 by 4 lace front bob wig, 14 inches, and it's 180% density. I am loving the texture of this hair. It feels dense enough but super lightweight as well. So this is what the hair looks like inside. We've got very nice HD transparent lace, and it's got some combs inside. My favorite part about this wig is that they actually ask for your wig cap size, therefore you get a wig that fits your head precisely. And this is what the lace looks like pressed against my skin. I'm really loving how natural the knots look and how scalp like the lace is. It also has these adjustable clips for the perfect fit. And instantly I'm obsessed with this hair. I can't believe how good this blonde looks against my chocolate skin. So just to assist the lace, because transparent lace is a bit more obvious with us darker skinned girlies, so it helps to just put a little foundation on the lace so that when I put it against my scalp, it looks very natural. Please do not mind the ghetto situation on my eye. I don't know what happened. Now let's install the hair and see exactly how the final product is. did not bleach or pluck this lace. I felt like it was still pretty as is, but obviously for a more natural look you might want to do some extra bleaching and plucking, but I still feel like it works regardless. Right now it looks like the lace is very obvious, but nothing a little blending cannot fix. Just a little hair serum and my comb, and this hair is giving everything it needs to give. It is smooth, it is sleek, it is so easy to manage. I am super impressed. I did not straighten this hair. All I did was apply some serum. This is the final product. I am so obsessed. I cannot believe that I'm actually rocking a blonde unit and I'm loving it and it suits me. This hair was so easy to work with. You can feel the density, you can feel the quality, but it's still so lightweight and so easy to work with. The lace is very forgiving and easy to cut and install as well. So if you want to cop this hair, make sure that you click the link in my description box. Find yourself a discount code so you can also be in your blonde girl era, honey. Thank you once again to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.